Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can quickly publish some existing products from another channel such as Lazada, Shopee, TikTok, Amazon, wherever you're coming from as a source, onto a new channel like Zalora. So in this case, I'm going to go through how OneCart specifically helps you to publish quickly onto Zalora and get your product catalog up and running very quickly. So in this case, I'm in a demo account and I have all this demo data set up. This is a demo listing for a Contigo water bottle. This is live on Lazada. The title, the description, pictures are all there. And I want to take this and quickly publish it over to Zalora. So how can we do that? So inside OneCart, the information will already be here. So what you do is you click this button here that says Crosspost, and you select Zalora as your destination. And the first thing you'll see is that the system will fill out a lot of the data for you using the source listing as a base. So you don't need to redo the title, you don't need to redo the description, the pictures are all there as well. Again, if you maintain this in OneCart, everything's sort of published there. And we do have a lot of AI now as well. You can use AI fill in the blanks, you can do sort of listing enhancement for the description, the title, to really improve and give you a really top level product listing. I'm not going to do that today for this. I'm going to do some very manual quick things, but in a future video we can go over the AI enhancements and how that works. So let's just quickly add this to water bottles, make this Contigo size system. Let's just keep it here, and I'm going to do two different demos today. The first one will just be, let's just do it with a single water bottle, and the second time we'll do it with a color variation and see how that goes. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to park this under excess just as an example. And again, notice what I didn't need to do. I didn't need to resize any images. I didn't need to fill out any extraneous data. The system is able to map and push everything forward for you. So all I have to do now is just click this button and click Create Listing, and boom, it's done. It's published. So if I want to click Edit in Zalora Seller Center, once it's successful, you do get this pop-up, and then you can click it, and then you can see how it's published here online. So you can see that example that the title is come in, the brand, the category, everything that's there. In this case, I only had one sample image, but obviously if you have multiple coming from Lazada or from your OneCart account, all of them will be here. Now, a big thing for that OneCart does for Zalora pictures is that Zalora, as you know, is very strict with the dimensions. So in this case, I didn't need to do any resizing. The system will handle all of this on the back end for you, and it makes sure that it's cropped well, it's got the right aspect ratio, so it doesn't look warped or anything like that. And all the information is there as well, right? So again, the description, again, I didn't use any AI enhancements to make this better, but if you had done that in OneCart before publishing, obviously all that would have come through as well. And obviously right at the end, you'll have all your pricing, sizes, SKU, everything you need all will be put through. So pretty quick, and obviously just very easy to start publishing simple single variation items like this. Now, obviously things can get a little more complex if you have a wider range and you have SKUs that are related to each other, whether that's in terms of colors or sizes and all that from the same page. So let me do a second example now, and I'll show you exactly how that works for OneCart. Okay, so I'm back on the Crosspost page, and again, same thing. I'm not going to change too much. We're going to keep it same category, all the bits and pieces. The only thing I'm going to do is add a second version of the product here. So in this case, this is the blue color bottle, and obviously you can see the picture has come up here. And then we're going to click Create and then see how it goes through. And perfect, and you can see right here that it's now created two different color variations. So again, if I click this and go in, you can see that, for example, this snap seal is in here. And again, all the pictures are in, and the description, the title, everything's there. What's interesting now, if you look at it, is the system is again smart enough to group them together, right? So again, ignore the SKU, because again, we're doing some demo data here, but basically that it was able to create the product grouping for us just because of the fact that you've now put it in. I had put it in here as a second color and a variation there. So this is an ultra simplified example. It's one color, one size, one color, one size. But obviously if you're doing shoes, t-shirts, jeans, anything that there's a wide range, all you have to do is just fill everything out here, and the system is smart enough again to pre-fill the data you need You can use the AI, like I said, to enhance it, but then also do all of the grouping, all of the sizing, resizing of the images to keep it all correct for Zalora's format. And so your manual work is basically at a minimum. So hope that's helpful. You can basically see now that everything gets published as soon as you just do a quick check on the data that's being pre-filled, and then publishing it through. And then it should be a lot faster for you to get your full product catalog published up on Zalora. So again, one thing we do advise merchants is just publish what you have on as many channels as you can. There are different customer bases on each channel, and that's a really good way to start driving new sales for yourself. Just because being on a new channel and exposing more of your product catalog to the customers on a specific channel just gives you more access to a customer base. So definitely use something like this to get started and to publish out, and hopefully that drives more sales for your business. I hope that's helpful, and let me know your feedback or comments if you have any. Bye.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.